Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pull this trim piece off. We're going to use a trim tool. Go under here, pry up. Maybe a little bit tricky over here. Can go back here, pry up back here. Some clips that are holding this down. Grab it and pull up. As you can see, these are the different retainers that were holding it down. To disconnect the electrical connectors, we're going to push on this little lock and pull the connector out, just like that. And then same on this one, push that little lock and pull that connector out. We're going to remove these two Phillips head screws. We'll use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull those out. Next I'm going to use a trim tool. There's some clips that hold the door panel on. We're going to go in side, pry out on the clips. Like that. I'm going to go all the way around the door panel. Pop those all out. Now I'll grab the door panel, lift up, and pull it out. Now we'll disconnect this cable. You're going to lift up, pull out, pull the cable to the side, pull the ball out. We'll disconnect this electrical connector. There's two little tabs on the side here. You're going to squeeze those. We're going to move this handle back and then pull this connector out. May have to wiggle it a little bit. Just like that. Pull the door panel off. All right, we're gonna connect this electrical connector first. We're gonna line it up, push it in, and then slide this handle over, lock it in place. Then we'll connect this cable right here. We're gonna slide the ball through that hole, and go to the side, and lock that in place. Now we're gonna push this lock knob through the hole here. Just guide it through. And then line your upper part of the door panel up. You're gonna have to push it in so it locks in place near the weather strip. Once that's in place, guide the door pins in place and then push them down. Make sure the door panel's flush with the door. And we're going to install these Phillips head screws. Snug that down, and same with this one. Snug that down. Now we're going to connect this electrical connector here. It goes to the mirror switch, and this one goes to the master electrical switch, right there. Line this up, and lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.